Let's dive into designing incredible virtual clothing with Higgsfield AI, creating outfits that truly elevate your characters. Our journey begins by selecting a foundational garment template within Higgsfield AI. Think of this as your digital mannequin. We'll sculpt and style from here. Next, we'll sculpt the perfect fit. Higgsfield AI's intuitive tools allow us to precisely tailor the garment's shape, ensuring it drapes flawlessly on our character. Now, for the flair, we can create custom textures, uploading our own designs or utilizing Higgsfield AI's built-in libraries to add intricate details and vibrant colors. With the fit and texture complete, we can see how the garment dynamically conforms to the character's form, revealing its intended style and flow. To truly bring our creation to life, Higgsfield AI enables us to simulate realistic cloth movement. We can adjust parameters to define how the fabric behaves during animation, whether it's a gentle sway or a dramatic billow. To result, stunning, realistic virtual fashion that not only enhances your character's appearance, but also contributes to their overall performance and storytelling. Master the art of virtual fashion with Higgsfield AI, where imagination meets impeccable style.